Good morning friends. I am Suraj Agrawal and you are watching your favorite YouTube channel Gardening is my passion. Today friends, I am going to show you how to uproot the culms of gladiolus and save them for the next season. Many of the viewers have asked me how to save the gladiolus bulbs. These are the beautiful flower of the winter months in our tropical countries. Now this is the middle of the April. So when you are going to uproot it, you make sure that this will be underground for at least 2 months after flowering is over. So these are the now the shoots of these plants, leaves of these plants are drying out. All these are drying up. This is now the month of April and all the culms are totally dried in the underground. And you just have to uproot them and just you have to do, just have a pull it from the downstairs, and this is the culms here. You can see this is the culms here, and below these are the culms taking below, and just keep it here only. This is I am taking out here from, these are the culms. Just remove the tape from here. Along I am showing you. These are the culms. These are the culms I will be saving. So just keep it here only and let it dry for 2 days, at least 2 days, 2 to 3 days. They should dry here only. Keep it, and after 2 days we will be removing all the shoots from here, and I will be showing you all the culms here. So keep on watching. So these are the culms. Total, this is the total new culm. These are the sort of baby culms. These are all the baby culms, and baby culms also can germinate into plant. So in the next year this will bloom, but this will for the next year, and another next year this will bloom. So this is the now we have collected all the culms from here. This is another culm. So many of baby culms are here, and this is another here. Just you have seen how we have uprooted all the culms here. These are all the culms of gladiolus bulb we just uprooted here and kept here here only for 2 to 3 days. We will be keeping here only, so that the total they will dry up in the under direct sunlight. They will total dry up, and let the dry it up for 2 to 3 days. And after 2 to 3 days, let them all the stems dried up totally. So welcome back friends. After 3 days we are assembled here again. And now I am cutting off the stems from here. All the stems are dried now, almost dried. These are the all stems dried now, and I am cutting it off. All the stems, I will be cutting it off. Now just keep 1 inch above, and now cut off here. And this is of no use. Just throw it away. Don't use it again. Now these are I have collected here. These are totally dried up in these culms. Lots of culms and baby culms we have collected from here. And friends, now I am separating the baby culms from here. Just separate baby culms from here. And this is the old culm. Just give it a twist and you will remove this old one. So I am removing this old one. Collect the baby culms here and remove the old one. Just give a twist and this will separate and throw it away. And twisting it off here and remove and throw it away. So this is the process. Now I am going to store it under shade, and I will dry it again 7 days more. So I will be, this is the old one, I am removing it. So just remove and throw it away. And remove all the roots from here and just store it, dry it. this is the process. Now I am going to store it under shade for 5 to 7 days, and I will be treating it after 5 days. I will be treating and storing it again. So, welcome back, friends. Just I have shown you how we have collected. I have cut here all the stems we have removed, and these are the palms, and I have removed the old one from here, and all the roots and old one I have removed from here, and these are the nice, all the combs I have removed all this. These are now fresh, and I have collected separately the baby combs. I have collected separately. Now I am going to store it in under shade. So you have to dry it under shade for 5 to 7 days. After 5 to 7 days, when all the scales are dried up totally, then I am going to preserve it in some with antifungal, with some straw and all, and showing you how this can be managed. So now I am going to keep it under shade. This is the shade under shade, and after 5 to 7 days we'll come back again, and I will showing you how to preserve them for a long time, or for the after up to September month when we grow it again. So I will be showing you all the processes. Thank you very much, and keep on watching. Welcome back, friends. Just after 7 days of uprooting all the gladiolas, and these are the after 5 days of cutting all the stems. These are all the gladiolas, all the bulbs or combs are ready, and these are now totally dried. All the stems you can see, these are all totally dried, and you can remove the scales from here. Scale leaves you can remove from here. These are all totally dried up. So now I have to store it, and these are the some baby combs I have collected here. These also can be grown. These are the baby combs. And now what you have to do is to just collect some of the antifungal powder, maybe Biltox or some Bavistin or some. If you have antifungal powder, okay. If you don't have antifungal powder, that can also be do without antifungal powder also. Now I am taking extra precaution for using the antifungal powder. So what you need to do is to just put some of the hair from and applying some of the antifungal powder here. Just spreading some antifungal powder here, so that no fungal attack can occur here. So this is the stem, and next step is I am taking some newspaper from here. Just take one newspaper. Just take some newspaper here, and just put some of the combs here. Take 4 to 5 combs here and make a wrapping. Just make a wrap, and take a bag, any kind of bag, and put it here. This is now. And second is, again take a newspaper, just put some of your palms here, wrap it properly, wrap it properly. Wrap it properly, and now I am putting it in bag. So this is the step how you can preserve, and now it hang it in your any of the room. This is a cool and dry place, and only the dark, cool and dry place you keep it for 4 and 5 months, and you can grow the plants again. So this is the process I am doing with this one, and this one I am showing you again. So friends, these are all baby combs, small combs. You can grow these also. They may not be flower for the next season, and another season this can flower in another season. So these are now I am taking it out again and putting some of the antifungal powder he is spraying here. If you don't have antifungal powder, you don't need, but you have to dry it properly so that no moisture is left here. Otherwise there will be a huge fungal effect. So these are the, I am wrapping it now. Properly wrap it. You don't have to bind. And this is the packet. Just bag, take it back and keep it here. And keep the mouth of the bag open so that the air can flow here regularly. So these are the, I will hang it in my room, dark, cool and dry place. I will hang it for 5 months, and there will be keeping as such. So hope you have understood all the process of how to dig up and collect and store and cut all the gladulus bulbs or palms. This is the easiest process, and they can get lots of bulbs here, and you can grow in the next season. So hope you have understood all the processes, and if you at all like the video, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to share, please share with your near and dear ones, and please subscribe my channel. I'm going to show you lots and lots of gardening techniques and all, and thank you very much. Thank you for being with us. So nice of you. Thank you.